Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video, I plan to go on a virtual tour of Paris. Yeah, Paris in France country. First of all, I will show you the famous places in a Google Earth. Then I will show you their traditional dresses, their culture, their food, and everything. So yeah, it's so interesting, na. So just stay tuned. I know that 75% viewers I didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, so just subscribe it. Yeah, yeah. Without further ado, let's go there. And I really don't know anything about the France, so let's explore it. So now, first let's see the Paris in a Google Earth. Now let's first search the Paris in a Google Earth, then see the, yeah, in Paris, like everyone knows that the Eiffel Tower is like world famous thing. So now let's go there first. As you can see, the groundwork of the Eiffel Tower started in January 26 in 1887. And yeah, this is the picture of the completion of the first level. This is the completion of the second level. This is the completion of the third level. This is the completion of the fourth level. And this is the completion of the final level. Now let's compare the Eiffel Tower's height with the world largest buildings and all. Yeah, here first you can see the Statue of Liberty in New York. And then the second is a Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. Then third is the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Fourth is the Empire State Building in New York. This is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the world tallest building. Now let's compare the Eiffel Tower with the world largest statue, the Statue of Unity in India. The amount of the iron used in a Statue of Unity, from that amount you can build a 4 Eiffel Tower. Now here you can see the amazing Eiffel Tower. Yeah. In the front of the Eiffel Tower you have the place here that you can see the Eiffel Tower like very clearly, and you can take a pictures very well. And yeah, you can see such an amazing city from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, this is the closest view of the Eiffel Tower, like from that you can see the such a big Eiffel Tower. Yeah, this is amazing. Now let's go and see the amazing Louvre Museum. Yeah, Louvre Museum is the world largest art museum, and also it is the homeland of the famous painting the Mona Lisa. Yeah, this is the homeland of the Mona Lisa painting. I will show you the Mona Lisa painting here. So let's go there, and when we enter then first you will see the Louvre pyramid. It is such an amazing pyramid, and it looks such a fabulous, and also it look more fabulous at the night. Yeah, just see na, it's such an amazing look. Now let's go inside and see such an amazing and most expensive painting in the world, the Mona Lisa painting. The price of the Mona Lisa painting is like just take your oxygen mask, otherwise you will like die. Yeah, I don't believe it. It's 5,000 crore Indian rupees. Like unbelievable, like totally unbelievable. And yeah, in this museum you will see everywhere, then everywhere you will find like amazing painting everywhere. And yeah, this museum have like more than 500 paintings. And yeah, this is the world largest art museum. Yeah, and it's amazing. Like what is this? Now let's go and see some another art in this museum. Yeah, the everywhere you see it's like such a amazing. And yeah, this is the amazing. And yeah, I will also give the link in description so you can go and see the history behind this place and this art and everything. From here you can buy us things that like Mona Lisa's photo, the some statues and some replica and all. And yeah, here you can see now everywhere like have like painting and paintings. Yeah, It is such a art museum. And yeah, there is the also such a beautiful thing. Yeah. Now time to say bye bye to this museum and let's see the some street view. Yeah, here the you can see the road. And yeah, Paris is like so much famous for their clothes, their shops, and their fashion. Yeah. Here you can see the revolution from 1985 to like 2020. So after seeing this, I really believe that not only humans living in this planet, but also like all living things are live in this planet. And yeah, after seeing the famous places and everything, now let's see the traditional dress. Yeah, I wanted to see the traditional dress, so let's see. They are famous for their clothes and everything. Traditional dress called black beret.
Perhaps the most typically item of clothing associated with the French is the black beret.
Let me see the black beret. Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Unbelievable! The Paris and France, the traditional things are like a black beret. That is I am wearing. Oh my god! I didn't know that it is a black beret. It is such a coincidence, na? Like, what a luck. You can see this hat. This is the traditional look from the Paris. Wow, wow. Like, dil khus kar dita. It's called the black beret. Now let me search.
Black beret.
Black beret. It is not a black beret. It is a black beret. Yeah. I pronounce it wrong, so yeah. Now let's see the traditional dress of the France. Yeah, I will put the photos here. Yeah, French national costume, Brittany, like Brittany, Normandy, Champagne, Sastre. And yeah, today my pronunciation will gonna to be so bad, so just ignore me. Yeah, this is the whole traditional French costume. Now let's see the Paris traditional festival, and I also give the link in a description about the like top 10 French festivals. So now let's see. The first festival is like a Biarc-sur-Mer kite festival. Yeah, they also have the kite festival. In their kite festival, they are like flying the giant dragons, whales, octopus, and various cartoon characters. It's like seeing this kind of things. It's such a amazing, na? It's such a like fun, full thing. Second is a Menton Lemon Festival. Here it is like a made a dragon from the lemons. Yeah, it is held on a 2 weeks in a February. Fête du Citron. Yeah, it's called the Lemon Festival in France. Yeah, it is a lemon festival like celebrating in a Menton city.
More than 300 professionals come together to create the display which are made from the 145 tons of the citrus.
You can see here in a picture, na? Yeah. Nice. Then other festival is like a Cannes Film Festival. We know the Cannes Film Festival. I will also put the photos of like last year. Last year I think it is not held just because of the COVID, but I will put the last photos of like Cannes Film Festival of like our Indian celebrities. Yeah, they give the people the Golden Palm Award. Yeah, a festival like nice carnival. So much people, na? So much crowded.
Nice Carnival is one of the largest carnivals in the world. Like more than 1000 dancers and musicians from around the world perform the magnificent carnivals.
They have like more social kind of festivals. Yeah, Senorita is like this kind of place, na? Senorita. If I pronounce wrong, na, then just forgive me, please. Yeah. Then Bastille Day. like Republic Day.
Come night for some of the best fireworks you will ever seen light up the sky over the Eiffel Tower.
Then I will just write it here. I don't know how to pronounce it. La Fête de la Musique. This is the festival, music festival and something like this.
First held in Paris in 1982, but later become the celebrated in 120 countries around the world.
Now this is like become the worldwide. In this festival they are like just singing in a public place. The musicians are gathering and like perform in a public place and everything. Yeah, this is the such a fun for like non-musician peoples like me. Like I will enjoy to hear something like this, like in free. I think the France is the place that have like so many the art festival. Like they have like musician festival, they have like a theater festival. I think they are like more connected to with the arts, music and everything. Now after seeing the French festivals, now let's see the 7 most famous food in Paris. Croissants, it is so famous. And yeah, in a Starbucks you can also see this kind of things. Yeah, croissants in a Paris is like a tea time food. Croissants, this kind of word like confuse me just because they are like written in such a different way and pronounced such a different way. Like how we can know? Yeah. Then escargots. Escargots. Yeah, second is escargots. Then macarons. Yeah, the Paris famous food is like macarons. Yeah, I love macarons. Like I love macarons. Yeah, macarons are like such a colorful, and I love this kind of pastel colors. So yeah, it is such amazing.
Macarons are the possibly the best thing that ever happened to French sweet.
Yeah, it is. Now macarons are like worldwide. Every people knows about the macarons and every people love to eat the macarons. Yeah, it is a French sweet and I love sweet things. So yeah, of course I love macarons. A jambon beurre. Yeah, it is a Paris street food.
Simplicity is the key of the beloved lunch snack.
And the other thing is stick tartare. It is made from like raw meat.
And yeah, that's why like eating the raw meats may not be for everyone, but it is the daring foodies. The reward promising to be the extreme flavorful.
Yeah, traditionally you will find it served with a raw egg yolk on the top. Yeah, it is a traditionally thing. Then what is this? What is this? A cheese. What? Yeah, cheese. The famous food is like a cheese. Now like people are so obsessed with the cheese. Now they cannot live without the cheese for sure. Yeah, I don't like a cheese that much. I don't know which way I like the cheese, just because in some foods I like cheese, but in some foods I hate cheese. I don't know. I am not a fan of cheese, by the way. Yeah, such a weird person, such a weirdo. The next is like onion soup. Yeah, to be honestly, I didn't hear the onion soup before. Onion soup, yeah. Yeah, this is the famous food of like Paris. Like now after exploring the France, I feel like they give so much importance to like music. Like they are so close with the music. But yeah, I love to travel virtually just because I get knowledge about the like different countries and all. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video. If you like, then click on the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Toodles.
So self-obsessed. Why Nidhi? Why?
Today look good or not? Oh my gosh.
मैं इतनी सुंदर मैं क्या करूँ? कुछ नहीं, घर का काम करो और कुछ नहीं। वो तो तुम करती नहीं हो, तो घर का काम करो पहले जाके।